The velocity of a .06 kilogram baseball is 65 meters per second. The ball is in contact with the bat for .03 seconds. What is the force applied to the bat? So the formula we learned in class, PF minus PI equals change in momentum. And we can use that to find the force, which equals impulse equals force times time. First, we need to find the change in momentum. Since the final momentum equals 0, we just need to find this. Momentum equals mass times velocity. The mass of the baseball, .06 kilograms, times the velocity, 65 meters per second, equals 3.9 kilogram meters per second. Since 3.9 minus 0 equals 3.9, that equals the change in momentum, which also equals impulse. So 3.9 equals force times time, which is .03 seconds. When you divide by .03 seconds, you get the force applied to the bat equals 130 newtons.